I'm Lori Conicelli Honda. Today I'd like to talk to you about what you can expect when you bring your vehicle in for tire service. We will check your tread depth and wear patterns. Certain types of wear may mean that your car needs a four-wheel alignment. If your tires look good, at the recommended intervals, we will rotate your tires according to manufacturer's specifications and check that they're properly inflated. If necessary, we'll recommend a replacement from one of the many name brands we sell. We will make sure, after inspecting your vehicle thoroughly, that a service advisor will sit down and explain exactly what needs to be fixed. If you have any questions at all about your tire service or your vehicle in general, please contact Joe Saxon, our service manager, at 610-828-1400, extension 2860. Joe will be happy to answer all your questions regarding your vehicle. Thank you.